Hi.
We're here, we're doing some recording for our Soundscape.
Yes.
A lovely, wonderful.
Audio recording.
Audio recording.
Yay! Let's get some good sound.
Let's do it.
Hard to ask.
This is so beautiful. I was thinking about the little Los Angeles creek by my house in Culver City, and I was imagining how wonderful it is to have running water that isn't over cement. I don't think it's safe. Please be careful.
Alright, I'm going. Oh, it's a big
Yeah, there's a train.
I guess I'm like fine. Okay. Alright, let's go for it. Is that another plane? I swear to fucking God. Yeah, it's another plane. I'm sorry, guys. I promise we're getting footage.
Oh, sorry, that's not.
Let me see. Does it have a name on it? Oh no, I thought there was like writing, but it's just marrow.
Obviously, don't talk about politics. Unless that's what you want in your.
That's okay.
Yeah, I would say like keep the voices down to like to a minimum. It's okay to talk, like it's obviously we want like talking to Portobala. I do want to hear some of like these sounds. So is it possible you can cook without the fan, or do you need the fan on?
We can cook without it.
Okay, are you guys okay with that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It just might be
Well, I hear still.
Yeah, yeah.
like she should eat the